Hey Corner Crew, today we are unboxing the Oneder Clip. It's a single-handed fingernail clipper, and this innovative tool is designed to make nail care easier and more accessible for everyone.
So let's take a look and see what's inside.
Okay. Warranty, and just the one piece.
All right. So you've got the clippers. So the blade is made from high-quality stainless steel. And the base is weighted to provide stability, making it easier for one-handed use. Now let's see how it works. So let's get your finger set up there. Okay, so as you can see, you kind of line your fingernail up in the clipper, and you're using the weight of the one hand, pressing down. Wow, that's incredibly simple.
Yeah, that was very
awesome.
easy. I hardly had to put any weight on it.
You just place your finger right there, push down, and you can hear it clipping the nail right there. That's awesome. So the Oneder Clipper is perfect for people with limited hand dexterity, single hand use, or weak grip strength. It's a great tool for seniors, people with disabilities, or anyone who wants a more convenient way to clip their nails. So that's a pretty nice little gadget there, you know. It's kind of a sleek design. I like that the base is weighted, and I like the fact that you really didn't have to put much pressure down.
Yeah, and it came with a set of clippers too, so.
Yeah, that's awesome. So there you have it, the Oneder Clip. If you're looking for a reliable and easy to use tool to make your nail care a breeze, this is definitely worth checking out.
That's all we had for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it,
Adapt it.